Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. We have mate in 2 as white, and we have to help white find checkmate in 2 moves. So black's pawns are going downward in this direction, and white's pawns are going forward in this direction, right? So as always guys, go ahead, pause the video and cast the move. Best of luck. So the first move is, you may just probably think queen to c4, right? So if black pushes the pawn, we are going to just capture black's pawn, and this is just checkmate, right? And if black pushes, we are going to play queen to a6, and if black promotes, we are going to play queen to c8 checkmate. But if you count it that it's a 3 move, right? 1, 2 and 3. This is checkmate in 3. The goal is to deliver checkmate in only 2 moves, right? So that is the idea, and that doesn't make us win. The other thing you may probably play is just queen to b1, and your idea is to come to f1 and deliver checkmate, right? If black pushes, you are going to just deliver checkmate this way, and this is another checkmate, right? If black pushes, you are going to deliver checkmate on f3 anyway. But again, this is 3 move, right? This is 3 moves, and these are not the solution. And the correct move is to play actually queen to e2. So this puts the queen in ideal position, right? So now we do have this and this checkmate trait, right? Queen to e4, queen to f3, and queen to g2 is checkmate trait, including queen to a6 checkmate trait. So in this position, black can't move the king. Black has 1, 2, 3 and 4 checkmate, right? So legal moves. Black has only 5 legal moves, including these 3 moves. So if black pushes the a pawn, we just simply move to a6. It doesn't matter where the black moves, and this is just simply checkmate. The other is if black pushes the f pawn. What do we do? This is another checkmate trait, and the pawn on f4, f5, we're defending the e4 square. So if it moves, it leaves the defending, and we can just safely go there and deliver the checkmate. Similar with the other moves, the other black moves, if black moves to the other, it leaves the defending of these squares. So we are going to just move to those squares and deliver the checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.